Her face is so concerned.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna go to the beach. Hopefully it rained last night, so it might be ugly, but it's fine. Because your girl hasn't been to the beach in over 2 weeks. I'm gonna get pale, and the dogs are still barking. It's fine. Everything's fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and get my life together. It's 10 o'clock, but it's Saturday. And I don't understand why this keeps getting blurry. Alright, we're all ready for the day. Got my Goodwill Bins t-shirt on. My dirt cheap shorts. Can't leave the links below, so just go to your local thrift stores or dirt cheap. Actually, these are probably from Target, but it's fine. We're just gonna eat breakfast and then wait for my husband to get home and then hopefully go to the beach soon and hope the UV rays are at an 11. If they're not at an 11, I'm gonna be crying in the club. The club of Jesus. All right. What are you cooking? What are you cooking us?
And the chef. I'm cooking breakfast tacos on corn.
Stop. What's your name, sir? How do you fit in here?
Just a random kid we picked up on the street.
How do you fit in?
Fit in one.
To this family. Okay.
I'm stepchild.
Oh, I just don't think you are. A stepchild to who?
My grandma.
Your grandma? That doesn't make any sense. If you're a stepchild to my grandma, you'd be my uncle. No, you'd be my brother. Oh my gosh. It's like he doesn't know what to do.
That's the cutest dog you'll ever see.
Uncle Joe, she's a stepchild.
No, that's my child, and you're her child.
Well, if
Some days.
my mom is Uncle Joe's aunt, that means she's a stepchild.
No, that means that she's her niece.
So? Everybody's not.
Let's go check and see the weather, if it's beach worthy.
It's sunny out there.
It was raining last night. I was over here shaking in my boots. Oh shoot. It's
So
sunny.
everybody,
It's fogging up.
everybody, we're having
Yes.
a birthday.
Yes.
Stepchild.
Perfect. Perfect beach weather.
Yeah, perfect beach.
UV rays better be popping. Water better be clear. Might look like a lake. Open the door. Open the door.
Find another home.
Stepchild. Ha 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 ha.
I'm locking the door.
You're only locking it on Caleb. Did my sweet little baby.
Me?
No, turn around. Yeah, so cute. He went to go get keys made.
Who's keys made?
Some guy.
Why are you just pushing it out the floor? Are we done?
Lord help me.
Don't bump her head. Oh!
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Hey, stop. Move.
What are you doing? Oh, good.
Something we have to do every morning Let's put the American flag out.
Allison, pop the eggs. Into the pan.
Oh, Lace.
Scramble? Yeah, we're scrambled. Really? You want to go get keys.
Well, their key machine was broken.
So you didn't even get the keys. You still got a hat.
Hold on, before everyone comes at me sideways.
Where did you get the hat from?
I did get some spray to spray the yard to kill all the mosquitoes. Grass.
So what about the keys?
The machine was broken.
You know you can go to the back and they'll make you a key.
Huh?
You can go to like the back of Walmart and they'll make you a key. Go. Was the hat there? Was the hat $1 a piece?
I just feel like...
Who's watermelon?
How much was the hat?
Don't worry about it.
The eggs, Allison.
Don't worry about it.
It's
my hat.
I know, but still.
It's like $30.
He could have bought a real cowboy hat for that price.
This is a real cowboy hat. No, a real cowboy hat is like $500.
It was called a joke. So we went to go pay. Hey, Smooth. We went to go buy $3 keys and came back with the $30 hat and no key. That means you can go to the store you want. I'm gonna go to Goodwill Bins today.
And these?
It was sitting at six.
Where were they?
Am I behind?
Throw those away.
No, I'm eating them.
Throw those away.
Why? Can I just
If you're eating them, then you're sitting at the table.
What time are y'all going to the beach?
I think from like 1.
They're kind of sour.
I think it's just your fingers. Ace, get your big ball head out of the camera. I haven't been to the beach in a long time, so we figured we'd make our Saturday worthwhile. That's my $30.
Allison, we literally had a $50 rule.
Okay, I mean, if we're sticking to the $50 rule.
I thought we've been sticking to it.
I haven't. I haven't literally
Really?
bought anything.
You went to the bins the other day?
I spent $9.
That's so part of your $50.
Do you have,
Have I ever dogged you?
or do you want
Have
$1?
I ever... Don't let the dogs down because everything gets to dry.
What did you, okay, you spray it with the water.
The grass, everything.
You sprayed it with the water hose?
Yeah, you hook it up to the water hose.
Hey, let's get these bags right here, please.
Oh,
Let's go to the beach.
we're going to the beach.
We're leaving. This is the fit. Ace, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready, cowboy?
You gotta put your Crocs on.
Yo!
Good thing you have your hat and gun.
To go to the beach.
Come on.
No, Anakin.
No, Benny!
Shh.
Oh,
I'm coming. Is that okay?
I know, but I'm just trying to make sure the dog doesn't get out. Does anybody see my keys?
no.
We might need
They're
those.
downstairs, Mommy. No, they're
But I thought I
downstairs.
grabbed them.
Ace, go.
Are you leaving from me?
I'm here behind you.
Mommy! Yo!
Girl needs her sunnies. Don't hit the car. Wait. Let me get my sunglasses. We're not getting in this car. I don't know where you're gonna go, but My hat is cricket.
I'll put your clothes in the dryer.
Oh, thanks.
My husband put your clothes in the dryer when they're done.
Why won't this lock? I don't understand. I don't have a key. Oh my gosh, it's 1,000 degrees.
Sit down, you're stepping on my bag in.
I think you need another jacket. Acting like it's not 1,000 degrees in
That's
here.
for my job. See? I had to
Is this
get
my
it.
clip?
Yeah. I had to get it because it matches, you know? Matches.
Oh, are you gonna keep that one on there?
No, but I have another one.
Why do you
I
have a
had to-
thermometer in here? Are you always
I had-
checking your temperature?
Oh, I had to screen those moms last night. If they had fevers at like 104, 104.
Hey guys, should go to the beach.
Everybody hold fancy my whip. This is my mom car.
Okay, well, we're about to go in the ditch. It rained. I'm gonna cry.
She went in the beach. In the dinner tile.
Maybe you shouldn't say that word. Because I definitely didn't hear ditch. Uh-huh, so no.
And also, more quickly, what is
More importantly, with an E, not an I.
We're going to the beach. We live like 10, 15 minutes from the beach. Not that far.
Well, it depends on how fast you go.
Yeah, we'll go a little faster if there's traffic or not. Also, cool thing about Corpus is you get to drive on the beach. So you get to drive up right to your spot.
For free. Well, after you buy it. Oh,
You just go,
man,
yeah, you gotta buy a new beach
I
pass.
already bought one.
That's how I felt like a loser pulling up in the terrain having to buy a beach pass. Because in my other car, I had them stacked up on the side since 2019, 2020.
I've had them stacked up on the side since 2020.
I know, that's why I don't want to get a new windshield on my car.
So I have to pay twice in 2020.
Mm-hmm. I had to pay $12 too.
Maybe
There's your
they
dresser.
Where?
It's like a cabinet thing.
No, that's too tall. See, it says this. I don't know.
Everybody get out!
There he goes. We made it to the beach, and it is hot. I'm about to go in the water. Just walk. I'm gonna eat my apple first. I bet it would be about 10 shades darker after this. And I'm only going toe deep with all the shark attacks. Are they good? I know. Ace, you're about to come after I eat this apple. Ace, where are we at?
Beach.
Is it about to rain?
Yes. That's called Willow.
Here at the beach in Corpus Christi.
That's called Willow.
Me and Ace actually just moved from Arlington. We lived in Corpus for 2 years. My sisters have been here for like, I don't know, 6, 7 years. And then I ended up needing to work days. And the only way to do that was to move back here to have help with my sisters. Because I'm a single mom that works too hard, loves her kids, and never stops. He's over there. Ace, leave the trash alone. Come here. So here we are. Try to go to the beach anytime. Barclay Joe kind of has our time, but try to fit it in where we can. Alright, so we're leaving the beach. Successful beach day, but now it's kind of cloudy, so not successful for him. Apparently he gets hurt every time. I think he got stung by a jellyfish. So we're gonna go to Threads, which is a local thrift store. If you know what Plato's Closet is, it's like that, but local. And before that, we're gonna get acai bowls. We're gonna try them at, what is that place called? Tropical Cafe. I've never been there. But Corpus doesn't have any good acai bowl places. Like, I want a fat acai bowl. Like, I'll pay good money for it. Like the ones in Hawaii at Sunrise Shack. Anyway, might have to open one up myself. The girls both have Trax game. So, we're gonna do that. But first I have to go home, shower, and then grab my baby. Feed her, maybe. Definitely feed her. This little girl's starving 24/7. Oh no, why we're going 0.2 miles per hour. My girl's bathing suit's cute. Alrighty. We are, it's fine. This isn't a fashion show. We are gonna go get acai bowls finally. It's about a couple hours later. Yeah. I don't have any necklace on.
It's about to come back in.
And then we're gonna go to Threads. We'll get there eventually. I I literally look pale. Like, did the sun even touch me? Alright, this is our acai bowls. These are $10. I'm gonna pay $10 for something. I want them to be big. This is...
It's still frozen. I can't even get to it.
I know, it's like a rock.
That's annoying.
It's like they're gonna sit them out. Put it in the windshield just to thaw them out. It's fine. I'm still gonna eat it though.
Interesting.
Gotta thaw out my acai bowl so I can eat her. Should be good in about 30 seconds.
Is it still good to go to threads or no?
Yeah. So it's pretty good. It's super sweet, but we're still eating it.
It had thawed out.
It's kind of thaw.
It's supposed to be cold but soft.
Yeah. It's aight.
Like, consistency is key. Do you need...
Trying things on. Got my stack, hers.
Nothing worked.
Out of all that.
Nothing worked. We're just gonna go to Old Navy. So that was the best.
Got absolutely nothing. It's fine. Gotta save money anyway.
Cotton picking nothing, cause tomorrow we're gonna go get our toes done.
Mm-hmm. Maybe. My husband lets me.
He said you have $50. We haven't spent it yet this month. It's almost the end of the month.
All right, we're gonna go home now. Caleb is making burgers for us, so we're gonna go eat. Your girl is hungry. I've honestly only eat breakfast in that acai bowl, and it was super sweet. And I kind of messed on the curd. It's fine.
Yeah,
I don't think we're gonna get out of
we
here.
did only eat breakfast, huh?
No, don't hit that cone.
I'm working on it.
Oh, Patricia.
Stupid Corpus roads is
I
the worst.
know.
I don't. This is not even. It is a city, but it's not like a metroplex. And
But
has
it is
the
a
worst
city.
Roads.
Like, it's a city.
It is a city.
But they're not up to par with what it is. They still think it's a small town, and it's not.
Here, let me try these on. I haven't tried these on yet. Let's see.
Oh, those ones Madison good.
Yeah. Let's see. Where did Snap Ooh, I don't know. Those aren't really real.
I like the pink ones. I wanted them, and she's like, Rebecca already tack on.
I did.
They're
just,
stopping.
Like, weird. Lens
Yeah, because they're not like real. They're like 3D glasses.
Yeah, we're gonna put these back in there. Thank you for being such a good helper.
Out to cook the burgers.
Huh?
Can you get the backpack?
Bye. Oh, good morning. You go change your diaper. Yeah. Yeah.
Why are we acting like a bimbo?
Says the one with the nipple pad takes his toe. Don't even come from me.
The drama.
Yeah, this is hurt, man.
Yeah.
Told you it was gonna hurt.
Hey, let's grow up here.
And also, don't put that on your foot like that. That's weird.
Where do you get that from?
Oh, look at that guy. He's
It's your
wearing
nipple
the
pad that you used one time.
I've used those multiple times. That is ridiculous. Really? And you're gonna take that tape off? You better take that tape off, because then it's gonna mess it up.
Nadia.
No.
Business. Last name's Business.
Hey everybody, I'm working on a project.
Well, that looks very fascinating. Any hurricane?
Not yet, just some rain.
Market sir, Tony got this face. There we go. Now my Sucker Upper 2000 is gonna have a TV.
Okay.
So you don't park in the back and you're all moving.
Oh, yeah. I could zoom into someone's backyard. Do it again, see what happened. Caleb.
Department has the same mail. They send me daily mail things like
Her Fontainebleau's almost closed.
Mm-hmm.
and I guess they're gonna have events and stuff and everything. I didn't even know that. Started that a couple days ago.
Back hurts from pulling all this weight from this family.
Yeah.
Whatever, Rebecca.
Taking care of 2 kids and one of them is in the mom.
Yeah.
Morning, noon, and night.
So we just got done. Let me shut this door. So we just got done eating burgers. My husband Caleb is still washing the cars. He says it's better to wash it at night. I mean, I guess it makes sense with it not being 100 degrees, but and it drying too fast and leaving streaks. Anyways, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Now we're just gonna wind down, watch Lord of the Rings, because we've been meaning to watch that because a friend lent us all of them and we've just been slacking. But yeah, so we're just gonna watch a movie and just wind down and then go to sleep. Thanks for watching all the way through. Y'all go and have a blessed day and watch out for more videos.